Welcome to this NetSims Technologies tutorial video. This video will show you how to set up item categories and locations in BinStack. Before you can add an item to BinStack, you must define at least one category and location. We will begin with categories. Click Categories in the menu bar. To add a category, press New Category. Enter a name for the category and press Save. To change a category name, click Edit, type a new name, and press Save. All items in this category will now be associated with this new category name. To delete a category, press Edit and then press Delete. You cannot delete a category if there are items in it. You must first move all such items into a different category. Managing locations is almost the same process, so we won't go into great detail. There are two differences. Locations can have an optional code and description. If you place barcodes on shelves, boxes, or other storage locations, you have the option to add those barcodes to BinStack. The description can be helpful for noting details about the location, such as instructions for finding it. Both the code and description are optional. You now know how to manage item categories and locations in BinStack. Thank you for watching this NetSims Technologies tutorial video.